Mike from the Focus Garage coming at you with a quick little short video here. And we're going to be installing new puddle lamps on my 8V Audi S3 here. Now this process should be very, very similar if you have any type of Audi or Volkswagen product with these little puddle lamps here. And it's just going to be a very, very quick walkthrough on how to do this. So I am obviously on the ground here looking up at this light from underneath the door. And the front of the car is that way. So there is a recess in the back of the light here, and what you're going to do is using some type of trim tool set like this, you're going to grab probably a little angled pick set, and you're going to put it in here, and you're simply just going to push in this recess forwards and down, and the whole light piece will drop out, allowing you to unplug it. I am replacing these lights with something that projects a Audi kind of S symbol on the ground, and I'll show you that once I get this light out. But again, grab your pick set, put it in the recess in the back of the light, pushing forwards, and get this thing out. So now that I've got the piece out of the car, I can kind of show you in a little bit more detail what you're working with here. So the light sits up in the vehicle, just kind of like this, and here is that little detent tab that you're going for. You can kind of see on the right hand side, and then you've just got a simple electrical connector on the other side of this. Pinch to release, and that's it. You can see here just kind of what the light looks like. So it sits in the door, kind of drop it down like this, pull it out, unplug it, and you're good to go. And here is my new piece with the projector light. So very, very similar size dimensions. The lens is the exact same size, and it goes back in the car the exact same way. So again, there's that recess if you ever want to take it out. You can see that little ridge there. I'm going to plug this into the car, pop it up into place, and show you what we're working with. And I do want to show you what it looks like with the light installed. Honestly, that's a lot neater than I thought it would be. I thought it would be kind of cheap and gimmicky, but that looks pretty cool. That's way more noticeable than kind of the factory little puddle light there, and I think it looks really good. Kind of accents, you know, the LED lighting and the speakers and everything in the car like that. But I think at night, that's going to be a neat little, I don't want to say party trick or anything like that, but I like the way that looks. I will have the link to these in the description down below. There are a lot of different ones you can get. You can get the Audi symbol, you can get the model of your car. If you've got a Volkswagen, you can get those. I went with an S3. I've got an S3. And I just figured it would look nice when opening the door. Real stupid, cheap little mod here. Some people would consider it ricey. I even borderline say that it is ricey, but hey, it's installed. And that's going to wrap up this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments down below. Catch you guys in the next one.